From field to factory and finally to your bowl, the journey of instant noodles is a marvel of modern engineering and culinary delight. If you enjoyed this fascinating look behind the scenes, make sure to subscribe for more incredible manufacturing stories. Thank you.
Our journey into the creation of instant noodles begins here, amidst the golden fields where the finest wheat is cultivated.
Every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single grain. Our story of instant noodles starts here, amidst the golden waves of a vast wheat field.
From the fields, the raw wheat embarks on its first industrial journey, transported to massive silos for storage, awaiting its transformation.
Once harvested, the golden bounty begins its journey to the mill. Here, it undergoes its first transformation, shedding impurities and becoming the foundational ingredient for our noodles. With the flour prepared, it's time for the crucial mixing stage. Here, precise measurements of water and other ingredients are combined, transforming the powder into a cohesive, elastic dough.
With the flour ready, the art of noodle making truly begins. Precision is key as ingredients are combined to form the perfect dough. If you're enjoying this journey from field to factory, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next step.
From a shapeless mass, the dough now takes its iconic form. Through a series of rollers and precise blades, it transforms into the familiar strands we all recognize.
The journey of instant noodles begins with the precise combination of raw ingredients. Massive industrial mixers ensure every batch of dough is perfectly consistent, a crucial first step in creating that familiar texture.
The dough is now ready to be transformed into its familiar shape. Through a series of rollers, it's flattened into thin sheets, then precisely cut into the long, uniform strands that will become our instant noodles.
From a raw mass, the dough is meticulously transformed. Industrial rollers apply precise pressure, gradually stretching and thinning it into perfect sheets, preparing it for its iconic shape.
With precision engineering, the flat dough sheets are transformed into the familiar wavy strands. This unique shape is not just for aesthetics, it's designed to cook evenly and hold sauces perfectly.
Fresh from the steaming process, these pliable noodle strands embark on their cooling journey. Precision machinery then gently folds them, transforming the continuous ribbons into the familiar, compact blocks we recognize.
The raw noodles now enter a crucial stage, the steam bath. This cooking process makes them pliable and gives them the texture we expect, preparing them for their final form.
Now, the noodles enter the steam cooking chamber, a critical step that gives them their unique texture and prepares them for rapid cooking later. If you're fascinated by how your favorite foods are made, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks.
Emerging from the fryers, the noodle blocks are immediately directed to a draining and cooling conveyor. Here, excess oil is removed, and powerful fans rapidly bring their temperature down, stabilizing their structure.
Judges. As the perfectly fried noodle blocks emerge, a crucial cooling process begins, preparing them for packaging. If you're enjoying this fascinating journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible manufacturing processes.
Now, the noodles enter the steam cooking chamber, a critical step that gives them their unique texture and prepares them for rapid cooking later. If you're fascinated by how your favorite foods are made, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks.
After steaming, the noodles are perfectly cooked and pliable. Automated systems then swiftly fold them into compact blocks, a design perfected for convenience and efficient packaging.
Having been perfectly shaped, these compact noodle blocks embark on their journey towards the frying stage, a critical step that will define their texture and shelf life.
Submerged in precisely heated oil, the noodles rapidly dehydrate and cook, achieving that signature crispy texture and golden hue, a crucial step for both flavor and preservation.
After receiving their signature seasoning, each noodle block undergoes a meticulous quality control check. Advanced optical sensors ensure every block meets the exact specifications before moving on to the next crucial step.
Quality control is paramount. Each block undergoes meticulous scrutiny, both by advanced sensors and vigilant human eyes, ensuring every product meets the highest standards before moving to the next stage.
With their structural integrity assured, the noodle blocks now receive their distinct identity, a carefully measured application of seasoning, transforming them into the beloved instant meal.
With quality assured, the noodle blocks now enter the automated flow wrapper. Here, a continuous roll of film precisely encloses each block, creating an individual, airtight.
Each wrapped noodle block now receives its identity, the brand label, and essential batch codes. This critical step prepares them for consumers worldwide. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite noodles are made, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated.
The final stage of assembly sees the multi-packs loaded into robust cardboard cartons. These are then automatically sealed, ensuring the noodles are protected and ready for their journey from the factory floor to kitchens around the world. The final stage sees the perfectly fried noodle blocks united with their seasoning. Automated packaging lines then swiftly encase them, creating the familiar instant noodle product, ready to bring convenience and flavor to homes worldwide.
From individual units, the journey continues as multiple packs are meticulously grouped and sealed, preparing them for larger distribution.
As these multi-packs are now encased in their final cartons, it's a perfect moment to consider the incredible engineering behind it all. If you're fascinated by these intricate processes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to see more behind-the-scenes content.
It's time to easily save on machinery. The final stage of factory processing sees advanced robotics take over, meticulously stacking the finished product, ready for its journey to consumers worldwide.
The individual packages, then multi-packs, now become bulk cartons, ready for the next phase of their journey. Efficient distribution across the globe. The journey continues as robotic arms take over, demonstrating incredible precision. These automated systems meticulously group individual noodle packs into larger multi-packs, preparing them for bulk sales and distribution, a testament to modern manufacturing efficiency.
With the cartons now securely sealed, they embark on the next crucial step: automated palletizing. Robotic arms, programmed for ultimate precision, meticulously stack each carton, ensuring stability and efficiency for transport.
Once stacked, the pallets proceed to the automated pallet wrapper. Here, a durable stretch film is applied with precision, creating a robust protective layer that safeguards the noodle cartons during transit and storage.
With the pallets now perfectly secured, they're ready for the next phase, storage and distribution. And if you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite instant noodles are made, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated.
Raw ingredients to a perfectly packaged meal, every detail is meticulously overseen. This final carton represents the culmination of a complex, automated journey, ready to bring convenience to consumers worldwide.
Noodles. The journey from individual noodle packs to securely palletized shipments is a testament to modern manufacturing, a symphony of automation, ensuring every carton is perfectly prepared for its global journey.
Today, from individual packs to multi-carton pallets, the automated systems ensure every product is securely wrapped and ready for its next journey. The precision of these machines is truly a marvel of modern engineering.
With meticulous care, each pallet is loaded, ready to embark on its journey across the country or even the world. It's a crucial step in bringing these delicious noodles to your table. If you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.
After meticulous packaging, the individual cartons are now ready for bulk distribution. Automated systems ensure efficiency, stacking and securing thousands of units with precision.
And so, the journey begins. These trucks, laden with the fruits of precision engineering and dedicated craftsmanship, fan out across the landscape, carrying the promise of a quick and satisfying meal to countless homes and businesses.
Once packaged, these pallets move into vast warehouses, logistical hubs where thousands of cartons await their journey to consumers. It's a testament to precision and scale, ensuring every packet reaches its destination efficiently.
Internally. From the wrapping station, the products enter the heart of distribution, the warehouse. Here, a symphony of logistics ensures every packet is accounted for and ready for its next journey.
With inventory confirmed, the noodles embark on the next leg of their journey. Each pallet is carefully loaded, destined for distribution centers and retail outlets across the region.
And finally, the culmination of a meticulous process. The instant noodles, fresh from the factory, arrive on shelves. From raw ingredients to a convenient meal, every step ensures quality, bringing a taste of efficiency and flavor directly to you.
The journey culminates at the retail front. From raw ingredients to the supermarket aisle, each step ensures these convenient meals are ready for hungry consumers.